What's up, fellow travelers? I hope all is well, and welcome to a brand new travel episode, and a cold one because today it is minus 20 in Quebec, Canada, which means I almost regret not doing a gaming channel instead of a hiking and travel channel because let's be honest, it's cold. Even my car had trouble starting this morning. But don't worry, because it's gonna be totally worth it because we are in the town of Mayo, Quebec, which is situated in the Outaouais region, where you will find la Réserve Écologique de la Forêt-la-Blanche. I've been here in the past, and to be honest, it's one of my favorite parks to hike in the entire region. Now, if you're someone who's not looking for some intense trek or go up some intense mountain, well, this is a place for you because not only will you get beautiful views of a few lakes, a waterfall, and also a boardwalk, but honestly, it's just super tranquil and peaceful and not crowded at all, which is great during the pandemic. But before we hit the trail, let's go pay our dues because there is an access fee, which is really cheap. It's $7 for adults, $4 for kids under 17, or $12 for families. That includes 2 adults and 3 kids. Totally worth it though. So with that, let's go explore this beautiful place. So today we're doing a combination of 3 trails. Because there's so many of them, the most popular option is to do a loop formed of trail number 4, 5, and 3. This will allow you to see all the best things to do in the park. So in our cold and tundra adventure, as you can tell, the icicles on my mouth are getting bigger and bigger as time is going on because it is cold. There's one thing that's important to know about this trail. There are stairs. At this time of the year, they can be a bit slippery, so definitely bring crampons if you're gonna use them. And also make sure you go counterclockwise on the trail or else you're gonna have to do the steps on the way back, and you definitely don't wanna do that. So with that, let's head to the lake because there's a beautiful views of Lake La Blanche here. After a really beautiful and short hike, we are now at the first lookout point on Lac La Blanche, which honestly is super beautiful. And this time of the year, you got guys doing ski doing. It's super cool. Now, it's time for a really intense slow-mo shot of how to make hot chocolate because I am freezing and I need anything just to keep warm right now. So with that, cue the extreme slow motion Frozen Man Canadian hot chocolate making edition of Brand on the Go. Yep, now that was totally worth it. Except for the fact I can't feel my fingers, highly recommend you guys try this out. Now, let's keep on our journey and continue to discover the beauty of this place.
I know that there is nothing stopping me. No physical presence that I can't see. Oh, there's nothing in my way. 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 magical presence that I can't see. Oh, there's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way.
Well guys, now that we're done at the boardwalks, we're gonna head back to the car, and honestly today has been absolutely fantastic. I can't say enough about this park, and while it hasn't been the warmest of days, let's be honest, my legs are absolutely frozen. The hot chocolate became cold chocolate pretty fast, but still, with the nice dusting of snow on the trees, it's really magical. You guys definitely have to come and check out this place, especially if you're in the Outaouais region. There's no better time to get a breath of fresh air and come visit La Réserve Écologique, Forêt-la-Blanche. With that guys, if you enjoyed today's episode, hit the subscribe button down below for more travel tips, tricks, and vlogs on a weekly basis, and also follow me on Facebook as well as Instagram to keep updated on some of the travel activities I'm doing all week long. With that guys, I hope you have a fantastic week, and don't forget, safe travels.